All right, friends, it's time for circle time. So we're going to go ahead and get started by standing up and saying our Pledge of Allegiance. Our right hands on our heart, eyes are on the flag, and we say,
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we'll reach our dreams. All right, let's have a seat. We're going to take a look at our calendar. It is May. And today is your sister's birthday. So exciting. Today is May 10th, 2021. Let's sing our Days of the Week song.
Let me get a cake for Lily for me.
Here we go.
Days of the week. Now we're going to snack. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. The Sunday and the Monday. The Tuesday and the Wednesday. Friday and the Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Your turn.
The Sunday and the Monday. The Tuesday and the Wednesday. The Thursday and the Friday. And the Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
All right, and if I sing my song, I'm going to start right here. There's Sunday and there's Monday. That's where my date is. Today is Monday, May 10th, 2021. Remember, we have no school on Wednesday. And mute. And we're going to say, what kind of weather do we have outside today? It is windy. It is sunny. But is it warm out? No. It's very chilly. So I hope everyone brought a jacket so we can play outside. Wonderful. Let's sing. What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow? Sunny again? All right. We're going to say our alphabet. Let's say it together. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Excellent. We're counting now to 20. Let's reach those hands up in the air and give them a wiggle. Let's wiggle that head around. Cover those ears. Hands in lap. Counting backwards from 10. Remember, we're going to stop. And we're going to say till 0. We're trying to get that 0 in there. So here we go. Let's start at 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. There we go. Blast off. On our bottoms, crisscross applesauce. Let's take a look at some shapes. Starting right here. Over with the minion mask. What shape is this? You got it, man. What is it? Close. It has that angle. Rectangle. What is it? Tell me what color it is. Wonderful. Right in the back. My Darth Vader shirt is sitting so nicely. What shape is this? It is the color purple. What shape is it? Octagon. We did not knock that right out of the park. Right up here. What is on your mask? puppies? You have puppies on your nose? I like it. All right. Can you tell me what shape this is? What color is my triangle? I like that. Tan. Okay. It's orange, but I like tan. What color are the elephants? Gray. And anger? Red. Looking at some numbers. Let's see. We'll come right over here with Mr. Green Square. What number is this?
5.
Mm-hmm.
I'm 5.
You are 5. Right up front. What number is this?
3.
Good job. Right up front. What number is this?
9.
Uh-huh. Right here in red square. What number is this? Nice. Right back there. Ready? What number is this? That's good. I like that you used your words. That's 8. What number is that? 8. All right. Hey, what is this?
Nickel.
Penny. A penny has that copper or brown color to it. Like the other ones are all silver. What is a penny worth?
1
1
cent.
cent. What is this one? A nickel. A nickel is worth how many pennies? 5. 5 pennies. 5 cents. I can either have 1 nickel or I can have 5 pennies. It's the same thing. What about this one? What is he? Dime. Good remembering. Dime. It is worth 10 cents, which means I can have 2 nickels. They're both worth 5 cents. Or I can have how many pennies? 10. 10 pennies. This is a quarter. What did we say we need a quarter for? If we want to get bubble gum from the machine, we have to have a quarter. We can have 5 nickels, 2 dimes, and 1 nickel. Or how many pennies do we need? Remember? A lot. 25. 25 pennies because it's worth 25 cents. All right, these are the letters we've worked on so far. This week we're working on the letter M. M says mmm. So if I close my lips together, mmm, like mommy made cookies and they're mmm good. So when I say M sound, I rub my tummy like I'm going to eat something yummy. Mmm. M is at the beginning of this lady. Who is this? Moana. How about this guy down here? Who's that?
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse. And does anybody know her name? Captain Marvel. Love that movie. All right. We're going to get out our pieces and we're going to work on the letter M. I'm pretty sure I all about that.
Lines at the top.
Yeah, all our pieces at the top.
Lines at the top.
Nope, we're not building. We put all our pieces at the top. So we do all the time. Good job, man. Yep, at the top. Yes. All right. We are making the letter M today. And I will tell you, the letter M is a lot of pieces and a little bit of space. So it's very, I don't want to say challenging, but it's challenging. So I'm going to take out my star because it's not a center starter. It starts under Mr. Matt's smiling face. Move his face and eyes back over. Come on. Does not want to, oh my. He's got one big eye.
I like it.
He's really looking at you. Oh, looks like he's. All right. So I'm going to go first. So your hands are in your lap. Your inside voices are off. Your eyes are on the board. I grab my first big line and I put it under Mr. Matt's smiling face. Then I'm going to grab another big line and I'm going to make it into a slide. And it's going to slide down into the center of my map. But I'm not done yet. I'm going to grab another big line. I'm going to make it into another slide. And it's going to slide up. And I'm not done yet. I'm going to grab another big line. And I'm going to go and put it on the other side. So I have 4 lines. 2 lines and 2 slides. So I have a big line down, a big slide down. No, it's not responding to me. Another big slide up, and then a big line down. So let's grab our pieces, and you put it on your mat. Big line down first, under Mr. Matt's smiling face. Grab another big line, and lay it on top. And lay it on top. Grab our big line, make it into a slide, and lay it on top. Lay it on top. Yeah. Lay it on top. Lay it on top.
And then you're going to lay that one
Lay it on top.
Yeah, put it on top. At the bottom.
Now it's going to lay on top at the bottom, and then on top.
And then what do we have left? Put it on top of the other line.
This one.
Nope, right on top. There you go. Good job.
Yeah.
Perfect. Fist bump.
I think I did it by
It's this
myself.
one. Good job. You did not do it by yourself. I saw someone back there. So this one, and then this lays on top, and then this one lays on top.
Good job. I see that M you made.
All right. Bless you. Good covering. Yep.
Great job, friend at home.
All right. Let's go ahead. We have our hands in our lap. Listening ears are on. Inside voices are off. Eyes are on the board. It is my turn. And I'm going to show you how to make it. We start at the top under Mr. Matt's smiling face. And we say big line down. Frog jump up. Big slide down. Whee! Big slide up. Whoa! Big line down. All right, one more time. My turn. Inside voices are off. Listening ears are on. Hands in lap. My turn. Big line down. Frog jump up. Big slide down. Whee! Big slide up. Whoa! Big line down. All right, are you ready? Do it with me. Fingers at the
Top.
and we say big line down, frog jump up, big